Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to fix Eve camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Check power supply. Ensure the Eve cam is properly connected to a reliable power source. Inspect the power adapter and cables for any signs of damage. Fix 2. Reduce wireless interference. Keep the camera away from devices that may cause interference such as microwaves or cordless phones. Ensure there are minimal physical obstructions between the camera and the router. Fix 3. Verify Wi-Fi connection. EveCam operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. Ensure your router has either band enabled and that your iPhone is connected to the same network during setup. After setup, you can switch your iPhone back to the preferred band. Additionally, ensure that the DHCP function is activated on your router and authentication via MAC addresses is deactivated. Also, make sure that Bonjour and Multicast are enabled on your Wi-Fi router and any additional access points. Network tools such as Storm Control can restrict multicast and therefore Bonjour disable this setting if applicable. Avoid using power line or power LAN adapters as they may restrict or block Bonjour, making them unsuitable for HomeKit-based Wi-Fi devices. Fix 4. Update firmware. Ensure device compatibility. Verify that your iPhone or iPad is running the latest version of iOS or iPad OS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to check for updates. Install the Eve app. If you have not already downloaded and installed the Eve app from the App Store. Connect to Wi-Fi. Ensure your EveCam and iOS device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Eve app. Launch the Eve app on your iOS device. Access accessory settings. In the Eve app, navigate to Settings, then Accessories. Select Eve Cam. Find and select your Eve Cam from the list of devices. Check for firmware updates. Within the Eve Cam settings, look for a firmware update option. If an update is available, the app will prompt you to download and install it. Initiate the update. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the firmware update. Ensure that your Eve Cam remains powered on and connected to Wi-Fi throughout the process. Complete the update. Wait for the update to finish. Once completed, your EveCam will restart and the latest firmware will be installed. Fix 5. Restart devices. Power cycle your EveCam, router, and any associated devices to refresh connections. Fix 6. Reset EveCam. If issues persist, reset the camera by pressing the reset button with the paper clip for 10 seconds until the LED starts blinking red. After resetting, re-add the camera to your home app. Fix 7. Check network settings. Ensure your network settings are optimized for HomeKit devices. Disable any network tools that may restrict multicast traffic, such as Storm Control. Avoid using power line adapters as they can interfere with the Bonjour protocol required for HomeKit. Fix 8. Consult support. If the problem remains unresolved, contact Eve System Support for personalized assistance. The link will be provided in the description box. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on the screen. See, the web page will be appeared like this, and you can ask the experts about your problem or can contact by clicking here. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.